Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw SweatCoin to bank account. So I will just open the SweatCoin mobile application here, and if let it just open, right? And here you can see that this is my SweatCoin mobile application. In the wallet, you will able to all these SweatCoin coins here and all the balance. So basically, let me tell you that you cannot buy, or actually you cannot withdraw money from SweatCoin easily, right? And that is not possible. The only thing where you can spend your SweatCoin is by purchasing some products. So if you just go into this, and after that you will see this option. So if I just click on the physical products, I can just buy the products. You can say 70% off. Or if I just want to purchase this, here you will see that swipe to buy for 5 SweatCoin, right? And you have to just scroll it. So this is it guys. So if you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.